Welcome back to Old Charles. Today we are exploring the story of the begins in a time when Britain was rebuilding after the devastation of the Second World War, a period filled with hardship, recovery and change. This small bronze coin may seem ordinary at first glance, but it carries a deep historical significance that connects collectors and history lovers to a transformative era in British history. In 1948, the United Kingdom was under the reign of a king who became a symbol of strength and stability during and after the war. His portrait appears on the obverse of the coin facing left with the inscription that translates to George VI, by the grace of God, King of all the Britons, defender of the faith, Emperor of India. Although by this time the British Empire was beginning to change and India had already gained independence in 1947, making this inscription historically significant as it reflects a fading imperial era. The reverse of the 1948 penny features the iconic seated figure of holding a trident and shield overlooking the sea, a design that had been used on British coinage for many years, symbolizing naval power, strength and unity. This classic image gives the coin a timeless appearance that continues to attract collectors from around the world. The coin itself is made of bronze composed mainly of copper with small amounts of tin and zinc. It has a diameter of around 30.8 mm and a weight of approximately 9.4 grams, making it larger and heavier than modern coins. This size and material give it a distinctive feel that collectors appreciate, especially when comparing it to newer, lighter coinage. One interesting aspect of the 1948 penny is its place in post-war coin production. During this time resources were limited and the economy was under pressure, yet coins like this were still produced in large numbers for everyday transactions. Millions of these pennies were minted, which means they are not extremely rare today. However, their value can vary depending on condition and rarity factors. For collectors, the condition of the coin plays a crucial role. Coins that have been well preserved with sharp details and minimal wear can be worth significantly more than those that are heavily circulated. Uncirculated examples or coins with original luster are especially desirable and can command higher prices in the collector's market. Another factor that can influence value is mint errors. Although rare, some 1948 pennies may have striking errors, off-center designs or other imperfections that make them unique. These error coins are often highly sought after because of their rarity and uniqueness. The historical context of the coin adds even more appeal. 1948 was a year of change for Britain, with the establishment of the National Health Service and continued efforts to rebuild cities and infrastructure after the war. Owning a coin from this year is like holding a small piece of that history in your hand. Today there remains a popular choice among beginner and experienced collectors alike. It is affordable, widely available and rich in history, making it an excellent addition to any coin collection, whether you are just starting your journey or expanding an existing collection. Collectors often search through old coin jars, antique shops and online marketplaces hoping to find a well-preserved example. Sometimes these coins are even discovered in inherited collections, adding a personal connection to their historical value. In conclusion, the 1948 British penny is much more than just a piece of currency. It is a symbol of resilience, history and tradition. From the reign of to the enduring image of this coin tells a story that continues to captivate collectors around the world. If you ever come across one, take a closer look, because you might just be holding a small yet powerful piece of history. The history of the is closely tied to one of the most important periods in modern British history, the years immediately following the Second World War, when the nation was rebuilding its economy, society and global identity. In 1948, Britain was still recovering from wartime destruction. Cities had been damaged, industries were under pressure and everyday life was shaped by rationing and limited resources, yet the country was determined to move forward, and coins like this penny were part of daily life, used in markets, shops and public transport by millions of people. The coin was issued during the reign of who ruled from 1936 to 1952. His leadership during the war made him a respected figure, and his image on the coin symbolized stability during uncertain times. However, 1948 also marked a turning point, because the British Empire was beginning to change rapidly. After the independence of India in 1947, the imperial identity of Britain was shifting toward a new global role. This change is reflected in the coin's inscription. Earlier coins described the king as Emperor of India, but after independence this title was removed, making coins from around this period historically significant as they capture the transition from empire to commonwealth. The reverse design of the coin features a long-standing symbol of British strength and maritime power. She is shown seated with a trident and shield facing the sea, representing the nation's naval dominance and resilience. This design had been used for centuries and continued to appear as a reminder of tradition even during times of change. The material of the coin also tells part of the story. Earlier pennies have been made with similar bronze composition, but during